How to customize your footer menu items. Begin at your Wcart dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, navigate to Settings. From there, select Appearance, then click Layout Settings. In the Layout Settings area, click the Menu tab. Locate the menu list. To customize the footer menu 1, click the Edit icon. Scroll down to the Add New Menu Item section. To add a new menu item, in the title field, type your desired label, and in the link field, enter the specific URL you want to direct users to. Click the Add Item button, and it appears at the bottom of your menu list on the right. If you want to edit an existing menu item, click the Edit icon on that specific menu item. To further customize the look, you can change the order of the items. Simply drag and drop. Once the layout is customized to your liking, click Save. To verify the customization, visit your live website and refresh the page. Scroll down to the footer, which reflects the new order and any edits you made. Click the links to verify they redirect perfectly. You're all set. Thanks for watching.